Hey, what's up? This is Andy Traub with a very simple and affordable tip on how you can organize your cords better around your computer. So I don't know what your computer setup is, but specifically to your laptop, you usually are plugging in, unplugging it. Maybe you've got a mouse you plug in, maybe you've got a camera, maybe you've got the power cord you want to plug and unplug. But if you're like me, it's easy for those cords to sort of fall down and you have to wrap them around and tape them and glue them or whatever. So here's a real simple tip to use a very simple product that's very affordable to keep track of all those cords. So here it is. All right, so we come around here, and this is my setup here. This is a magazine holder from Target. They don't sell the clear one this size anymore, but you can go in the magazine organizer aisles over by the office supplies and just get something like this. You can see the little handle right there. And so this is a magazine holder. So that's if you call this a laptop stand, it would cost $100, but it's a magazine holder, so it's like $8. Then I've got this one right here. This is my other, stand, the metal one. That was like 30, 40 bucks on Amazon. And so here's my laptop, right? And I've got these cords. I've got a mouse that I plug in, and I come over here, and I've got a power cord, and I've got this camera that I plug in sometimes right here. But the question becomes, what do I do when I have to go? So close it, and then I unplug these, right? And then I gotta go, right? But what happened to all those cords? Let me show you what happened to those cords. So I use these command strips, but they also have these little clips. So I'm gonna get in tight on these so you can see what they look like. Okay, I'm gonna pull one out and actually show it to you. So here's what it looks like. All right, little opening there. And these are perfect for doing this. So you can see on the side here, look right here, I've got the two of them. So when this falls down, it doesn't fall out. It just sticks right there. Same thing right here. So you got it above, so you got a little more room there. I used to use this thing, which was fine, but the reason I like this is because it slides in and out a lot easier. And then I did the same thing over here to this side for the mouse, and so I can just pull it up and pop it in. Super, super simple. So when you're done, or if you ever want to move them, because these are these easy strips, you would just reach back over here and you pull on this tab right here. You pull it straight out and it will release, and you can reuse those clips if you want to. So a package of these costs about $5, $6 maybe, but these are, let's see, I got these from around Christmas time. These are for outdoor exterior. I think they're like light clips. Yeah, they're light clips. So hopefully you can still find these in some style or get them on Amazon. If I can find a link to them on Amazon, I'll put it below the video. But this is a great tip if you want some good solid cord management. Thanks for watching. God bless. Keep shipping. The world needs your art. See ya.